Welcome back, guys, to the new video again. Uh, in this video, we are discussing generating functions. In previous lecture, we were discussing about the lack of responsiveness of uh, pen tape. We could not ended it well, so we will restart from there. So let's start. Let's say generating function is 1 plus x to power 8, then it can be equivalent to sigma r is equal to 0 to infinity ncr s to the power r, like that, right? So for example, 1 plus x to power 10 is equal to uh, 10 cr x to power r. So, numerical function for that is 10 cr. All right. For example, there is a, let's say, 7 into 1 plus 4x to power 3. What is it? What is this, guy? So it is like 7 into uh, 3 cr 4x to power r. Is it like that? All right. So it will be like 7 into 3 cr 4 to the power r. AR for this. Uh, Next example will be next example is sigma r is equal to 0 to infinite 7 into 3 to the power r 6 cr x to the power r. So this is AR for that. All right. Then it could be represented as uh, 7 into 6 cr, and it will be like uh, 3x to power r also by the formula, and this is like 7 into this is n here, right? 1 plus 3x power n, like that. And 6 is cx here, like 6. So there is one note here, very important. Note here is generating function is equal to e to the power x a to the power r ar. So if generating function e to the power x, then what we can see, it is like r is equal to 0 to infinite x to the power r upon r factorial. It's like that. It's e power x, like 0 1 x upon 1 factorial x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x4 upon 4 factorial, and so is equivalent to e to power x. And uh, for this, if we are x generative function, this can be represented by r is equal to 0 to infinite x to power r 1 by r factorial. Then a of r is equal to 1 upon r factorial, right? Numerical function for this. Not C or not anything. And some next question is here is Next example for this is r is equal to 0 to infinite 7 into 3 power r factorial. Right? Oh yeah, so it was like that only. New concept will be introduced here. New concept is linearity. What is linearity? A of r is a of x and b of x. So a of r is a numerical function, b of r is a numerical function. Uh, a of x is a uh, respective what generating function for a of r, and this is bx is a generating function with respect to b of r. Right? Yeah. So there is a concept here: a of r plus b of r is equal to a of r b of x also. Alright. Here are some properties, and a of r minus b of r is a of x generating function of x minus generating function of b of r, right? And k1 a of r plus k2 b of r is equal to k1 a of x plus k2 b of x. Like that only. Here are some properties. For example, from sigma r is equal to 0 to infinity and 3 into 2 to the power r plus 6 into 5 to the power minus r x to the power r. Then what is a of r? Like that. Generative function, we can separate them. R is equal to 0 to infinite 3 into 2 to the power r plus into x to the power r plus r is equal to 0 to infinite 6 into 5 power minus r. Minus r is different thing here. Right, this is not like that. It will be done. So here is r is equal to 0 to infinite 3 into 2x to power r, right, plus equal to 0 to infinity 6 into 1 by 5 into x to power r, like that. Alright. So a of x to power r, b of x to power r is like, what is a of r is here? A of r is this, but what is generating function for this? Generating function would be what? Plus, is it in plus or something else? I can't remember much, but I can do this here. So this will be 3 into 1 plus 2x to power r plus 6 into 1 plus 1 by 5 x to power r. Is it like that? I think so. This is not the right way. The right way for this 3 into 1 minus 2x and plus 6 into uh, what's like that? Minus 5x is not good. uh, 6 5 to a of 5 to minus r, like this, that 5 to 5, that is 1 plus 1 by 5x, I think. Is like that. Numerical functions, GF function 1. So if numerical function was 1 upon 1 minus x r x upon 1 minus x to power r square is like that. How? I square x 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to power q is like r equal to 0 to 1 to n minus 1 plus r cr x to power r equal to 1 upon 1 minus x to power n, like this. Now n is equal to 2 here, 2 minus 1 plus r cr 1 plus r cr is like r only. Is like r plus 1 x to power r into this, and r into x to power r sigma r is equal to 0 to infinity 1 dot x to power r. 1 dot x to power r is already is 1 upon 1 minus x, so it is 1 minus x upon 1 minus x to power square. R is equal to r. A of r is equal to r. If generating function is equal to 5x upon 1 minus 7x, then A of r is equal to 5 into minus 7 to power r, 7 to power r, x will what? चौधरी साहब Alright, guys. Alright, so what we were doing here was, yeah, AR 57. What about X here? X is creating problems. So, how do we do this? Is X is a part of AR? Is it? Is it? Yeah, it could be a fun. 0 if r equal to 0, 5 into 7 r minus 1 if r is not equal to 0. What about that? So let's take some help from ChatGPT here. Let's discuss some more questions, then we will take help from ChatGPT. Question here is, if generating function is equal to 7x square upon 1 plus 3x is a of r in what? What is this then? What is this, bro? 7 upon 1 plus 3x is 7 into minus 3 to power r. Alright. Then 7x square is what? 7x square upon 1 plus 3x is like if r is 0 if r is equal to 0, 0 if r is equal to 1, then 7 into minus 3 to power r minus 2 if r is not equal to 0, r is not equal to 1. How can we do this, bro? N minus 1 plus RCR x to power R, right? Then now x to power R and here as x square, n minus 1 plus RCR x square x to power R minus 2 here, right? R minus 2. So uh, if R is 0, if R is 0, minus 2, 1 minus 2, then 0 starting from this. So what we will do here is this square we have to keep. This is like that, then it will come like this only. This is sequence is this 1 plus minus 5x plus 3x square plus 2x cube. Generative function for sequence. Alright, let's take some help from before starting recurrence relation. We will take some help from this, from Copilot. Copilot is good, I think. In my opinion, Copilot is good. Let me ask some question to him, like 5x slash 1 minus 7x is generating function, then what will be the numeric function for this and how explain step by step. Generally, let's break down. Given gx is fraction 5x over 1 minus 0, right? General function is a formal power series that represents an infinite sequence of numbers and coefficients. It allows us to manipulate the sequence of single entity even though it may converge like an ordinary function. Interpreting the generative function, the given function gx represents a sequence of coefficients. Finally, the numeric function. To obtain the numeric function, the actual sequence, we expand the generating function into the power series. Let's expand. Gx is equal to fraction 1 minus 7x solving for a, we get a equal to 5. Now we can express gx 5 slash dot fraction 1 minus 7x is equal to 5 sum. What the hell? This is not the case. This is not what I expected. This same answer could be asked to what Google and ChatGPT. Now we will try ChatGPT. End goal here. Paste. Right. Can we use Google also? Wow. This is some same things. Alright. Next lecture we will discuss some questions from generating function. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. We will meet in the next one.